They call it a miracle, but is it really? For centuries, this tiny seed has promised healing. It is woven into the fabric of ancient medicine. It is a cornerstone of cultural rituals. Now, its fame has exploded. Social media hails it as a cure-all. Influencers call it a miracle. The claims spread like wildfire. They promise immunity in a single drop. They whisper of effortless weight loss. They suggest a shield against disease. Popularity spreads, but popularity does not equal proof. The truth is more complicated. Black seed oil contains a compound called Thymoquinone. This is where the science begins. Some studies show this compound might help in small ways. It may reduce inflammation. It could act as an antioxidant. But here is the catch. Most of these studies are tiny. They are often performed in animals, not people. The few human trials that exist are small. They are preliminary. They are not enough to build a miracle upon. The evidence is a whisper, not a shout. It suggests a possibility, not a certainty. So what can it not do? Let's be very clear. It does not cure cancer. It does not reverse diabetes. It does not fix heart disease. No single oil can replace proper medical care. That idea is a dangerous fantasy. Health is never built on one ingredient. It is not found in a single bottle. The body is a complex system. Real health is a complex solution. It requires a symphony of choices, not a solo instrument. Believing in a magic oil over medical science is a gamble. It's a shortcut that leads nowhere. There are also risks. Misuse can be harmful. The promise of natural does not mean safe. Overuse may harm the liver. It could damage the kidneys. The dose always matters. It can also interact with medications. It might interfere with blood thinners. It could affect drugs for blood pressure. Always talk to a doctor first. And not all products are pure. The market is flooded with options. Some are contaminated, others are diluted with cheaper oils. The label might promise gold, but the bottle could hold dust. Quality matters, purity matters, your safety matters most. So when does it make sense? Is there any place for it? Perhaps, use moderately. Black seed oil can support a healthy lifestyle. It can be a small part of a larger picture. But it is support, not replacement. It is an addition, not a foundation. Think of it as a small boost, a tiny nudge in the right direction. It works alongside good food. It complements regular exercise. It fits within a life of conscious choices. It is a tool, not a savior. Its power is in its proper context, used in the morning light of a balanced routine. Why do we fall for these stories? Humans crave simple answers. We long for a quick fix in a complex world. We want a single key to unlock perfect health. But that key does not exist. Real health comes from habits, not from hype. It is built slowly, day by day. Daily choices are more powerful than any trending supplement. The walk you take every morning. The fresh food you put on your plate. The sleep you prioritize each night. This is the real power. This is the true path to well-being. It's not dramatic. It's not a secret. It's just the truth. Before you trust any so-called miracle, ask one simple question. What does the evidence actually say? Look past the marketing. Look beyond the emotional promises. Choose wisely. Your health is your greatest possession. It deserves care, not carelessness. It deserves science, not stories. Follow PharmaconHealth for science. Not trends, learn the truth, not the hype.